Oh, okay, I'm so excited. Okay. I've been working on expanding my wardrobe to make it more, I guess, versatile for how I really want to dress and show up. And it's definitely a work in progress. I do have a lot of ground to cover, a lot of gaps to fill, but I got a couple of things from the RealReal to help me fill in those gaps. They finally arrived and I'm going to unbox them right now. Okay. So this is the one that arrived first. It was so hard for me not to open this one when it came in yesterday because I'm so excited for these to come. Okay, empty box. All right, this is how they come bundled up. I've never ordered anything from the RealReal before. This was a first. I've been stalking many things on that site for years, but just never felt like I wanted to go ahead and buy them. So finally, I was like, you know what? You're trying to build your wardrobe. You're trying to get quality pieces without spending a whole lot of money. So why not buy them secondhand? Oh, I thought this came in that. Okay, I know what this is. This is a pair of earrings. I love how they package in bubble wrap. Like, it's a nice touch. Okay. They put a lot of effort into like packaging it to get to your house. I'll say that. Okay. It's the tag and everything. Oh, these are cute. They're exactly what I wanted. Hang on. Okay, let me get them. Yeah, these are 14 karat gold earrings. I've been looking for some studs, so hang on. Don't fall. Yeah, I've been looking for some studs since the ones I have are gold plated and honestly no longer gold. So I wanted something to replace them. You know, ideally I'd wipe these down first, but yeah, I wouldn't wear them with that. That's weird, but oh, they're cute. They're so cute. Yeah, this is something I'd probably wear on its own or when I finally get like a stud to go in that second hole. But these are cute. I can rock with this. This, yeah, is what I was going for. But I think they look weird with my current setup, so I'm gonna put on my other earrings. All right. These are they the shoes? They feel like shoes. Oh my gosh, how do you open this? There we go. Yes. Oh, they're cute. I need to see if they fit. They are cute. I wanted some shoes. Like, if we're being real, I want Manolo Blahnik flats, but budget. Look, like, these do not look like they've been worn. They don't. Look at that. Oh, they're so cute. Okay, so I envision wearing these with like jeans, maybe even with leggings, just to dress it up a bit. I love wearing a dressy shoe with a really casual outfit. I just want to see if they fit. Oh yeah, that's a comfortable fit. They're a little wide in the back. I always expect shoes, especially slingbacks, to be a little loose around my heel. I just have narrow heels in the first place, but luckily they're adjustable, so I could probably adjust them a little bit to make them fit better, but it's always something I run into, even with like a full, like closed toe, like surrounded ballet flat. It rubs my heels because I just slide all the time. It's just my issue, but ideal because it's cute. I like these. I might wear these this week. These are exactly what I expected them to be. Very happy with these. Okay. This is a bag that I've had on my list for a little bit. In theory, I actually wish listed a Givenchy bag, but the price was always something I wasn't willing to pay. But I got something that is basically the same shape, and this was pristine condition, and it was like half the price of buying it brand new. So I had to buy this immediately. It's from Parisa Wang, and it's cute. Oh, okay. I am not a tote bag girly, but this one is so like basic that I'm keeping this, even if it's just to store it in, because it's just cute. I caught a glimpse of the color. It's perfect. It's perfect. It's perfect. Look at her. How cute is that? It's like the perfect little casual bag. Oh, it has the strap that I'm probably never going to use, but it's in there. Will my phone fit in here? That was my main thing. Oh, the phone fits. The phone fits. This, it's leather. I can smell it. It smells amazing. I wanted this top handle. Like, let me show you. Let me show you. I got a pack of these thin scarves on Amazon. I would love for all of them to be silk, but gotta be economical about the upgrade. So silk-like is close enough. I do have a silk one from Lost Pattern that's super cute, but it doesn't quite match this bag. But watch the magic happen. It's halfway there. It's so cute. So cute. I'll probably rewrap this, but you've got to see the vision. You've got to see the vision. Yeah, I'm gonna rewrap this to make it a little bit more uniform, but look. It's like the summer bag of my dreams. I have 3 more of these in different colors just to add a little pizzazz to my outfits, but look at it. Look at it. Behold. I can't. I'm over. I'm so pleased. This came together exactly how I envisioned it. So, okay. Like, I love how this opens. Like, okay. This was supposed to just be a quick pop in since all my stuff finally arrived. Like, it got delivered just like an hour ago. But okay, that's going to be it for this RealReal mini haul. I'm hoping for many more to come, many great things to find. If you are interested in seeing what else I get from the RealReal or anything that I'm shopping, subscribe to my Substack. I share all of my like obsessions over there with my paid subscribers, and then for the free ones I share what I wear every week, makeup that I bought, and little fashion and lifestyle, little beauty things. Yeah, so if that's up your alley, check the description box for a link to that. And if not, it's all good. Subscribe to this channel. I will see you in the next one. Bye.